forever. Rest in eternal peace, my son. You will never be forgotten.
Rajiv, my dear son, Rajiv, you left us too soon. I thought Rajiv was so familiar being a son of Sudhir Ruparelia. But in last 3 days, what I found out is no, he created his own identity. Rajiv, I'm so proud of you. Rajiv, people come to us and say, you've been educating these people. I know you like to do a lot of charity. And we are going to carry on with your charity. Rajiv, the way the funeral was arranged for you today, the government closed some roads for you. We had the rally drivers, we have the scooters, motorbikes, and a super procession. I wish you were a part of it. And your naughty sister Sheena was on a scooter, which I was quite worried of. But she says, no, I've had my great holidays with Rajiv, and I'll carry on. Rajiv, I know your greatest love was Inara. You were dying for Inara. You did so much for Inara, and I promise you, you did. Sudhir and I, till we are alive, we will take care of Inara. And you wanted an Inara tower for Inara, and that will be our next project, Rajiv. And Inara, we are going to look after Inara. So please rest in peace. We're going to miss you, son. It's going to be very difficult, but we have to let go, son. Son, I'm very sorry. I took you as a little kid. I was always keep calm. Calm down. Calm down. Rajiv, please slow down. I'm sorry if I hurt you, son. But you know, mothers love their children. They love their children. So obviously they try to straighten them. I still remember when I used to drop you to the boarding school, the naughty, the problems you would create at school. Every time, every half term, you would say to, let me make some problems so they'll suspend me, so I can go home early. But then we planned that now you go home early, you go economy. So obviously, you were happy to come economy, but going back, you would say, if I don't get a first class ticket, I'm not going to go back. So you really chicked. You were a really cheeky little monkey, and we're going to remember. And I remember looking for new schools for you. You would have 2 suspension, and I'd go and look for a new school before you're expelled, so that doesn't come on your record. I am going to remember you. I'm going to miss you, son. I remember my golf days with you, my skiing days with you, my restaurants, my clubbing nights. I really wish on Friday night I didn't leave you at Izumi. I came clubbing with you. And I am sure I would have not allowed you to go into that speedy car. I would have stopped you home. I understand on Friday night you entered the house. You entered the house, passing in the corridor. You say, Mama, I'm back. I'm so sorry, son. I didn't hear that. I would have come out, son. I'm sure you could have gone to your dad and said, Dad, I'm back, and just started talking about the night. I really wish you didn't go out on that Friday night, and we would have done this procession with you. I remember I said to you, Rajiv, I need to do a scooter holiday, a motorbike holiday with you, because you guys went alone. Rajiv, you planned a motorbike holiday. You put everything in the truck. And unfortunately, I was hit by a golf ball. You came to the hospital with me. You said, Mom, it's fine. We're still going to go on a biking holiday. But I was scared. I wish I took that opportunity, to go on a motorbike holiday with you, but I will once do it and remember you. I'll miss you, son. I love you. And please forgive us, forgive the whole of Ruparelia family if we have harmed you at all. You always wanted family, Rajiv. Rajiv, you always wanted family. And last night, 13 of us were on a bed. We really missed you, and we could hear that sound. The noise you would come in. Hello? Where's everybody? Son, the memories you have created for us. And I'm so proud you're leaving a legacy behind at the age of 35, where I was always, oh, it's all because you are Sudhir's son. No, I'm proud of you. I'm so proud that you did everything for yourself and you helped everyone. You made everyone laugh. We'll cherish your memory. And whatever you were doing, we're going to carry on with me. Sorry, it's very sad to say, son, rest in peace. It's very sad. But I'm going to think of you every day. I'm going to talk to you every day. I'm always there. And rest in peace, my son.